How to install Java on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you on how you can download and install Java on your Windows. First, open any browser that you use to download it. Now, once you open the browser, search for JDK download. Here, you can find the first link. Go to the first link on this oracle.com. Once here, if you scroll down below, you can find the options to download. Now, since you are going to be downloading on Windows, tap on Windows, and here, download the third one, the 64 MSI installer. Click on the link, and it will start downloading your Java. Now, once downloaded, click Open, and it will start opening. Now, this little thing pops up, which is the installation process. Click on Next, and here it's going to be installed on C program files Java JDK 20. You can change the browser if you want to. Click on Next, allow the permission, and your Java will start installing. It might take a few minutes to install. You can either click Next Steps to access tutorials, API documentation, developer guides, release notes, and more to help you get started, or else you can simply tap Close and your installation is complete. Now, if you go to Files and Downloads, you can find your Java here. Now, you can see that my download and installation is complete. The software has already been installed on the computer. Would you like to reinstall it? Hope you like the video, like and subscribe, and comment down if you have any further issues.